State Chairman
of the Nigerian Legion of Edo State Council.
Yes. What is the name, sir?
My name is Assistant Commandant General Sonny Uduware Eboigbe.
Okay. You are welcome, Edo State Council Chairman. So since you assume office all these years, what is the situation and the security challenges? Some of the challenges
that we are really facing.
Yes.
I think we have been able to succeed to some extent, but upon all, we still need the state government assistance in every other things we are doing. But that of the most important thing is the hoodlums attacking our boys at the beach. You know, some of our boys are in the hospital most of the time because of attack from all these hoodlums.
But in terms of those the insurance, whether they are insurance, those boys that attack, or all your boys, all the boys.
Okay, that is another good thing. The first remains that we are now financially buoyant. We are looking at all these things from the national headquarters. They promise us, but that can't be fulfilled. We need to have, all these boys need to be insured. It's very risky. They are doing a very risky job.
Okay, many people have been praising your tenure that you are trying, you have streamlined so many things, and things are moving forward. What is the make of this?
I think, to me, I don't think I have not done enough at all. I still need to do more. But the fact remains that we have no strong support from the government, right from federal. That is just the truth. If we have strong support, we will move more further than this. And I'm looking forward during the next National Executive Council. I have many other things to bring on board. Like now, they said that we should organize the women auxiliary. That will give more job. But where is the fund to establish all these things? The fund is another thing. You can't do without fund. You can't do without money in all these things. But the money is not there.
We need government intervention.
We need government intervention. We need government support to do all these things.
Okay.
Yes, and our boys need more training, more retraining, more refresher training.
As with this office, you have secretary, you have many administrative workers.
Yeah.
How do you pay them?
We struggle every month. Even for like myself, the secretary and the commandant, for 2 months now we have not been able to get our pay. But all the same, it's in the constitution that you are always paid with the leftover or what we have been able to generate. So it's all right. I think since the governors sometimes help us, Governor Bassett, we thank him for what he has done for us, giving us vehicle and other things, money and foodstuffs. We hope he's gonna do more than what he has done before.
Do you think this Armed Forces Day is the right channel to air all these things to the ear of the government without because they are saying financial constraint and all that?
I'm even planning to meet the governor before the Armed Forces Remembrance Day, so that we may have some discussion.
Those disabled, how do you?
Yeah, that disabled, like I've told you, I have other things to put on board during the National Executive Council. The disabled, in fact, it's not a problem the state can solve. It's only the federal government that can solve it. These are people who got wounded, not the fault, not their own fault. They are abandoned. Some parts of our body have been buried, but the government doesn't care. Imagine how can a disabled soldier, like the other day, the other Benin man died, committed suicide. Many of them are committing suicide because when they see their condition, some have no wife, nobody to cook for them, or nobody to help them to even wash their clothes. and they are receiving their pay very poor. So I think
Which
by the grace
some
of
days
God,
our government should someday
one day intervene. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Commandant, Dr. Guacon. Thank you. You're doing us proud. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.